by the people, for the people.
The MiG-29K. A lot of Russian weapons in India. It's too bad America can't get a little of that flavor, huh? It is pretty impressive. Look at that. How about a little American flavor, Modi? Number 4. Got here. Man. Russia be selling them some jets. Ramos. I know who that is. Yay for me. Number 3. Nice looking plane. Salt. I wonder if it's an Indian, do you think? Advanced avionics. A little expo or something, huh? Oh, nice. That's gotta be Russian. Yeah. Nice looking bird, though. Look at that. Nice looking. Cool. There you go, man. That's the way to do it. Build your own. Look at Modi up there. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. I mean, I think you would want to have your own, you know, defense company, an Indian-owned defense company that wouldn't have to rely on foreigners, that could kind of make their own. Because I know what it would mean to the Indian people. It would mean great jobs. There's I don't live far from a defense contractor here, an American defense contractor, and they make Black Hawk helicopters. and they'll test them. I mean, they don't shoot people, don't get me wrong, but they'll take them out and fly them around because of the desert conditions here. You know, we get haboobs and all kinds of stuff, and they fly them around. And it's not uncommon if you get outside of town a little bit, out to the desert, I would say just south of Mesa. Over the horizon, here come Black Hawk helicopters, like, and there they go. It's not uncommon to see. It's kind of cool. And they go out and they test the range and whatever they're trying to do, which is pretty cool. So I think that would be great for India if India could get its own, like they have there with that one company. Man, that's good jobs, dude. Because I know, like, starting pay, if you were to get in at this defense contractor, just like, hey, I'll take whatever the lowest job you have, is like $20 an hour. Just like, yeah, I'm going to sweep the floors and, whatever. I mean, there's nothing wrong with sweeping the floors, but I mean, just basic entry level, which I think is pretty cool.
Thank you for watching our videos. Will you please subscribe to our channel, and will you please give this video a thumbs up? Thank you.